This is a pop-up video. I wanted to stop in and say hi, happy Halloween, and yes, your girl's crazy. Here it is Halloween and your girl's got Christmas behind her. I mean, what's new, what's new? I mean, this is what I do. It's how I roll. Anyway, the reason I wanted to come on today is because I wanted to share my Amazon finds that I shared with you on Amazon Prime Day. Unfortunately, a chunk of them hadn't shown up when I did that video. So I kind of just flashed up pictures so you could see what I ordered. But I want you guys to see them in person because I think it's very helpful. At least it is for me when I see other people do hauls and I see the actual physical item, the bulk of the item, whether it's good quality, bad quality. It is so helpful. It just skips me having to read all the reviews. So I'm going to share a few items with you today that are just, I love them. I would also like to thank you guys for your help. As you know, this is our first year in this house and I brought zero Christmas decor with me because it's all at our other house. So it was starting afresh and I thought I wanted to try something different, and that was going with neutrals. And once I started playing with these neutrals, I was like, no, it's not me. It's not me. I need color. So I took a chance and ordered these holly berry stems on Amazon. So many of you guys said, Liz, mix your neutrals with the pine, and I am in love. I have been virtually putting them in my garlands, up on the mantle. I've been playing with ideas, but I like to sort of stage things so that when I do eventually do the video with you guys, I sort of have an idea of where I'm going with my decor. Things always change with me, but I am in love with these berries. They are such good quality. So these are awesome. They come like this. I just want to show you how nicely packaged they come, and then I'm going to show you what they look like. Okay, so I just ran and got some scissors. Check it out. They do have sort of a little bit of a paint smell on them, not going to lie. But what I did was because I ordered a few boxes prior to this, and again, I liked them so much I ordered more. What I did was I took them out of the bag and I just set them on my front porch on a bench and sort of let them air out. And then I brought them in the evening, didn't even smell it. So just so you know, I mean, this really does look high quality. So let me show you. Look how beautiful these are next to the green. You guys, thank you. I'm telling you, these are awesome. So let me show you up close and personal. They come bent like this. I straighten it, and then what I do is I take just a moment to sort of fluff it out just a little bit. Now, if you go to Hobby Lobby and Michael's and those sort of places, when you get their berries, they start falling apart on you. And some of them are like white, like half of the berries come off. These, you're not gonna see that. These are super duper, really, really good quality. I might try to find a big vessel for my island, and then I wanna put in some, you know, cascading pine greenery that kind of just falls naturally. And then I want to go in with this and have these sort of tall and sort of bending over with the greenery. How beautiful would that look? These are very bendable and they're easy to work with. And I'm going to just go take you down for a second because I was playing with it in a garland and I was like, I don't even need to add lights. It looks so pretty just with the garland and the berries. These berries just pop. They pop, pop, pop. And they are so easy to work with. And so, you know, if you mix in some pine cones and your ribbon, I mean, maybe some other florals, I mean, this is going to be gorgeous. I highly, highly recommend these berries. They are super, super good quality. The color is spot on for Christmas, and I know you guys would be very happy with these. Okay, next, I found these trees on Amazon. And, you know, I was looking online and the prices were sort of all over the place with these sort of trees. Just some crazy, crazy expensive. So, I decided to take a chance. People seem to like this tree in the reviews. However, they said you will have to take some time and really fluff out the branches if you want it to yield a good look. When I got these, I just put a movie on. I sat these on my coffee table and I just played with the branches. And I have to say, I love this tree, and I bought two. And these are probably gonna go up on my mantle. But look how pretty. It's beautiful. Even if I didn't wanna put lights or anything in it, hello, I could add some of these berries. I could even clip some off and just set them in here sporadically, add some ribbon, do absolutely nothing. Just put it in a pot and set it up there on the mantle. You could leave it just like this. You could put it in a beautiful pot. You could put lights, fairy lights, berries, ribbon, or just leave it as is. But I have to say, I'm really loving the simplicity of this tree with just the little pine cones. Okay, next, I got this marble black and white cutting board, and I'm using it simply as a backdrop on my hutch. I am going in with this plate from Mud Pie. I got this on Amazon as well. And I'm leaning this one and I'm putting this one on a plate holder. And then I'm setting some things behind. I don't want to give too much away, but you can see the quality is excellent. This is nice and heavy. I really want to get the matching cake stand, but it's a little bit of a splurge. So I might wait and hold off. But yeah, happy with this. I think it's super cute for Christmas. I want to show you my theme for the dining room table. I think it is so, so cute. All from Amazon. So check it out. I got the charger, the gold charger on Amazon. I got the timing table. See, this is that crazy, busy black and white plate. But as I've said, when you mix plates with them, they act as a backdrop, and then whatever you put in front of it really stands out. And then I got these plaid napkins. This charger comes with a set of 6 gold napkin rings. And I have the cutest napkin ring idea. If it works out the way I think it will, you guys are gonna wanna copy it. This is my theme for my table. And because I'm going with a gold charger, I wanted to sort of try to add in some gold in my tree. So I got that garland from Walmart. Let me know what you guys think. I want to sort of push it into the tree and sort of fill in the gaps, and it's very glittery. So, and it's got pine cones on it. So I like it, and I kind of want that to kind of go with my gold. Let me know what you think. Again, here's a close-up. This is time and table. And then here is this nutcracker plate. I don't think I had these when I did the Amazon Prime, so I want you guys to see up close. But very cute. And the reason I decided to go with the gold charger is because of the gold look around the edge. But really, really cute. And guys, here are the napkin rings that match the charger. So they're really good quality. I'm very, very happy with that purchase. And again, with those plaid napkins, it's gonna be so cute. And then, look what I got, Mr. Nutcracker. I got 2 of them. These are cookie jars. And I am loving the look on the table, but super, super cute. See? And then with the black and white, with the gold. Then I'm gonna be going with black candlesticks. And I got these taper candles on Amazon. And I have to thank one of you, and I'm so sorry, I cannot remember the name off the top of me. One of you wonderful subscribers told me about some product called museum wax. And so my husband ordered some for me. Sometimes they turn out all wonky. They won't stand up straight. Well, that museum wax did the trick. You literally just pull off a few little pieces, one for this candle holder, one for this, and then you take this and you just stick it in, and boom, they stand nice and straight. Okay, then I got this beautiful dough bowl set on Amazon. It comes like this. They're beautiful. And see the bottom? You guys, these are really, really good quality. You could set some pine in here, add some berries to the pine, and then simply add some pine cones. So imagine some greenery, you know, in here, pine garland or like a pine pit with some red berries, and then throw in some pine cones. Or just simply put some pine in here and throw a whole bunch of pine cones in, and you've got a woodsy, Christmassy, wintry look. Next, I didn't have these for Amazon Prime Day, so these came. I was sort of on the fence with these. I didn't think they were going to be good quality. They are. Check it out. I got 2 of them. These come in a black pot, and you know, if you just have some areas in your home where you want to display a pop of winter green, this is great. It comes in this black pot. You could certainly dress it up in a dressier pot, but I'm choosing to leave it in the black pot where I'm putting it. You'll see. I ordered this pillow cover from Amazon. Super cute. And all you have to do is get yourself a plaid blanket, and this ties in beautifully. So I also got this one. I think it's really cute. It's a pine tree. And I thought these two would go very well together on the sofa. Our sofa is sort of a creamy beige. So, you know, these will look cute on there. And then I was thinking about artwork. And I have a lot of mirrors in my family room because it's a small space, and it makes it appear more open and bigger. I love the reflective property. So I thought to break up all the mirrors, I could place some artwork on the mirror. And the mirror would be the backdrop, and then the artwork would virtually go in the center of the mirror. So this is where I was initially going, although I reversed course. Came across this artwork on Amazon. And it's really nice. It actually comes with the frame and a hanger to hang it. It's very good quality. And then I got one that sort of goes with it. And this is the other one. And I don't know if you can tell, it looks like it has snow. So I have this one. And then this one. Although, as it turns out, I won't be using it downstairs. So I'll probably use these upstairs or in the master bedroom or my daughter's room. Not sure. If the truth be known, like I said, your girl needs color. I would probably have to throw some greenery off the side and maybe tap in with some of these berries to make this pop for me. So I did share this, but I mentioned to you we were gonna DIY a background on it. Remember, this came from Amazon and it was just gold. And I told my husband, I said, I think a black background would make this pop. So he got some board backing for me. He painted it black and I love it. So, as of right now, this is going above my mantle with deer and pine garland and holly berries and whatever else I decide to put up there. Also got a smaller version and had him also put a black backing on it. But with the black, it really pops. I didn't get to show you this. This is a Christopher Knight wreath. It is stunning, and I mean stunning. It's absolutely beautiful. The detail, the pine cones. Now this could go Thanksgiving or Christmas. My next two items, well, I'll just share one, is stunning. And it is Christopher Knight, and it's a big cone Christmas topiary that matches that wreath I just shared. Now, I will tell you, as stunning as they are, when you receive them, you will need a hot glue gun, most likely. Now, I read this in the reviews and I took a chance because they just look so beautiful. And as you can see in person, they are beautiful. But in transport, I had a section fall off on each one and you have to hot glue it back. It's very easy to kind of piece it back, but I'm pretty sure that if any of you ordered, the same thing would happen. So look, number one, at how ginormous this cone tree is. Look at the beautiful detail. It's absolutely stunning. So for me, you know, I do tend to take risks on Amazon, even if the reviews are bad. I will say this is great quality, but due to transport, you will need a glue gun. I'm almost certain of it because I did on two of them. So as I already said, I'm rambling. And I sat this on a basket on a riser because I was terrified to pick it up and move it for fear some of the pieces would fall off. So this way, until I find where I want to place it permanently for Christmas, this is what I've got going on so far, but it's beautiful. All right, friends, well, that will wrap up my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. And come back and see me Wednesday because that will mark the first day of my Christmas series. So you won't want to miss it if you're in the mood, you know. If you're not, just you can hold off until you are ready for ideas or you want to decorate for Christmas. I will link everything below that I shared if you like anything you saw in this video. And happy Halloween, you guys, and I'll see you Wednesday. Love you all so much, and thank you for your wonderful comments. You guys are the best. Mwah. Bye, guys.